I know I have very frizzy and dry hair as well. With that being said, how to get rid of frizzy dry hair. So this beautiful lady's finger, or as someone or most of us call okra, you just cut it in pieces after you washed it beautifully and put in the frozen bag and put in the freezer for 3 to 1 week, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week. I normally froze them for 1 week. You can also boil it and then blend it, but this way I find it really more jelly. The gel come out more. As you can see, look how beautiful is this, so amazing. After forward, I added vitamin E and also my homemade rosemary oil. You can either put any oil, for example jojoba oil or extra virgin olive oil. That is getting to a smoothing and also to avoid breakage at the end. It help you with your hair as well. With that being said, please don't get scared my face looking at my face. So I just detangle it that way. Do this one at least, if it's not once a week, every two weeks, and then you will see how your hair gets breaking super soft and also get really manageable. So look, as you can see, it get very quickly exaggerated, especially if you have very low porosity hair. It's really good. Keep it for 1 hour and